Hello and welcome to the Edutrainex PTE Learning channel, and I'm your host Anurag. You might be wondering how to do well in the PTE listening tasks, and in this video I'm going to share 8 proven ways to do that. So stay tuned till the end, as I'm also going to share how these techniques together can take your PTE listening score right to the top. So PTE listening section is roughly around 30 to 40 minutes in the latest PTE exam format, and this section has the most different types of tasks. To be precise, 8 different types of listening questions are presented to you that you need to answer. They are summarize spoken text, multiple choice choose multiple answers, fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, multiple choice choose single answer, select missing word, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. Watch our PTE listening overview video to learn more about these tasks. But in this video, we'll only focus on how to improve your listening skills. The first one is a major problem for many of the non-English speakers is the inability to understand the accent and word pronunciations used by the English speakers. We call them as American, British, or Australian accents, depending on the way they speak English. You should first get yourself acquainted with understanding those accents. So start watching documentaries or BBC News of native English speakers regularly. This will slowly help you understand what they are speaking. And never start attempting PTE listening questions if this is a problem for you. The second technique is to become a good listener. If people say you are not a good listener or you keep getting distracted, then you are in a little trouble. So develop active listening skills by paying attention to details. Try to understand what the main theme the speaker is trying to say, and developing this habit will not only help you in the PTE test but also in your day-to-day life. The third technique is entertaining. Start watching shows or movies on Netflix or Amazon Prime in English language. Use the subtitles initially, but gradually get rid of them and try to watch the entire episodes without subtitles. The fourth technique is similar, listening to podcasts. This one is more fruitful as it involves only listening, so it will be more effective. This is an excellent and proven way used by hundreds of students to improve their listening scores. The fifth one is maintaining focus. Listening in general requires a lot of presence of mind, not just when doing so in English. Being able to listen requires you to be focused, and this can be difficult. So if you improve your focus or concentration skills, you have a better chance of listening to the audio recordings played during the PTE test properly. The next one is building a routine to practice. If you do anything on a daily basis, you are bound to improve. That's definitely guaranteed. No one can defeat this approach. And believe me, as soon as you follow the routine, you will see a difference within a week. During your initial practice time, also assume that you are speaking those words. Additionally, you can also use these techniques to overcome your fear of the listening section by taking a PTE practice test. The seventh technique to improve your listening skill is by watching or just listening to the news and documentaries. At the same time, don't forget to note down any words that you don't understand and find the meaning of those words as well as how to pronounce them. Doing this will not only boost your vocabulary skills but also improve your pronunciation, and these two things are really important for many different PTE tasks. Last but not the least is meditation. Yes, you heard me right. There is a popular saying that the body benefits from movements, but the mind benefits from stillness. So meditation or any concentration technique is an excellent way to prepare for your PTE test, especially in the listening tasks. I hope this video will help you in your PTE journey. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on several important topics.